Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. So in this video we are going to learn how to auto-generate PDFs and save in Google Drive. So in this case I want whenever a new document is created in my Google Docs, automatically a PDF link for that document should be created and then the PDF should be saved in my Google Drive. So to automate this process, we will use an automation software named Pabbly Connect, in which we need to connect a trigger and an action. So in this process, our trigger application will be Google Docs and our action application will be Google Drive. So to learn this process step by step, let me take you to my screen. Welcome to my screen. So in this video we are going to learn how to auto-generate PDF and save them in Google Drive automatically. So to automate this process we will use an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. This is the homepage of Pabbly Connect. You can visit this page by simply browsing for the URL pabbly.com/connect. Here you can see two options that are sign in and sign up free. If you're a new user, click on sign up free and get 300 tasks every month to explore the software. And if you're an existing user, click on sign in. Here I'm an existing user, so I'm clicking on sign in. After signing in, you can see all Pabbly apps window where you can see all the applications of Pabbly. Here to connect my applications, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect. This is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here you can see a create workflow button on the top right corner. Here to create a new workflow, I'm going to click on this button. In this create workflow dialog box, we have to give a name to our workflow. Here I'm giving the name as auto generate PDFs and save in Google Drive. And now I'm going to select my folder as automation. You can select your folder as per your need. Also, you can create multiple folders to save your workflows accordingly. Now to create a new workflow, I'm going to click on this create. Here in this workflow window, you can see two most important principles of an automation process, that are trigger and action. Where trigger says when this happens and action says do this. That means action is a response towards a trigger. Your automation can have a single trigger but multiple action steps. Now let's begin our automation by setting up a trigger. Here I'm going to select my trigger application as Google Docs and my trigger event as new document. If you want that only particular folder's document should be converted as PDFs, then you can select new document in a folder. Here I'm going to select new document. And now I'm going to click on this connect. Here to build a new connection, I'm going to click on add new connection. If your Google Docs account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now I'm going to click on this sign in with Google. Here I'm going to select my account. Here I'm going to click on this allow and give access to Pabbly because your data is secured with Pabbly. Authorization successful. Now here I'm going to click on save and send test request. And here you can see we have successfully received a response. Now let's move to action step. Here I'm going to use filter by Pabbly because I want only the documents which are owned by me should be converted as a PDF and saved in my Google Drive. And I don't want any document which is shared with me should be converted as a PDF and saved in my Google Drive. So to build this condition, I'm going to use filter by Pabbly. Here I'm going to choose my action event as filter values and now I'm going to click on this connect. Now moving forward, here I'm going to map the label, that is email address. Here I'm going to keep filter type, that is equal to, and here I'm going to enter the value which is my original email address. So here I've entered a condition and now I'm going to click on save and send test request. So here you can see the response is successful. You can create multiple conditions by using filter by Pabbly as per your needs. Now moving forward, here I'm going to add another application. Here I'm going to select my another action application as Google Drive and my action event as share a file with anyone. In this step, we are going to generate a PDF link. Again, here to build a new connection, I'm going to click on add new connection. If your Google Drive is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now I'm going to click on and sign in with Google. Here I'm going to select my account. And again, here I'm going to click on this allow and give access to Pabbly as your data is secured with Pabbly. Authorization successful. Moving forward, here for the file ID, I'm going to on this map button. After that, I'm going to select the ID from the drop down menu. Here I'm going to search for the ID and now I'm going to map the ID. So here I've mapped the ID and now I'm going to click on save and send test request. And we have received a successful response where we have received application PDF link. Also, we have received so many other links, but mainly for this video, we need a PDF link. Now moving forward, here I am going to add another action step. Again, here I am going to select my action application as Google Drive. And this time my action event as upload a file. So in this step, we are going to upload the PDF in the specific folder in our Google Drive. And now I'm going to click on this connect. This time we are going to click on select existing connection because our Google Drive account is now already connected with Pabbly Connect. And now I'm going to click on this save. Moving forward, here it is asking for URL. So here we will map the URL. So mapping data means insert data from previous step. So here we are going to search for the PDF URL. We are going to map the URL from the response we have received in our Google Drive. Moving forward, here it is asking for folder ID. So here we are going to enter the folder's ID where we want to save all the PDF generated. So this is the folder where I want all the PDFs generated should be saved. So here I'm going to copy this ID. Going back to Pabbly. Here I'm going to paste the folder ID. Moving forward, here it is asking for file names. So here I want the PDF should be saved with the original name. So here I'm going to search for the name. And then I want it should be saved with the extension .pdf. Moving forward, here I'm going to click on save and send test request. So here we have successfully received the response. So now let's check our Google Drive to check the PDF. And here you can see we have successfully received the PDF with the name test user warning letter.pdf. Now let me open this for you. We have received the warning letter as a PDF. So with this we have successfully set up our automation. Now let's test our automation to check whether it is working or not. So to test our automation we need to create a new document. So here in our Google Docs I'm going to create a new blank document where I'm going to give the name as test doc, and here I'm going to type this is a test document. So here you can see it is saved in Drive. So now let's check our Google Drive. And here you can see we have received another PDF with the name testdoc.pdf. So with this we have successfully tested our automation. Now let me summarize this whole video for you. So here we have taken our trigger as Google Docs and our action as filter by Pabbly and Google Drive. So in this case I want whenever a new document is created, automatically that should be saved as a PDF in my Google Drive. But here you can see Google Docs is a pooling based application. That means it can take 10 minutes to capture the new response. If you want to use the same workflow, then you can find the clone link in the description box below. I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching. Not only these applications, you can integrate many other applications with Pabbly Connect. If you have any doubt, you can contact us on support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, you can contact us on forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, then you can contact us on www.pabbly.com. If you liked the video, please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.